Hola a todos y bienvenidos a sus anuncios para esta semana. Hello everyone, welcome to your announcements for this week. I have a couple of smart reminders to start off with, and then we'll quickly go over what you are learning this week in class. So first smart reminder is retakes. You can retake quizzes and tests up to 3 times. So if you don't do well on a test or a quiz, just email me, hey, can you reset Unit 20 pop quiz, and I can reset that for you. Make sure you study, and then you can take it again to try to get your grade up a little, and then also to continue learning that material. My second announcement for you, I also said this last week, is about online translators. Please don't use them in your speaking or writing assessments. An online translator is something like Google Translate. Your speaking and writing ideas should come only from your head, not from a computer-generated source or a friend. They should just come from your head. It also sounds really, really weird in the speaking because then you're trying to say all these words you're unfamiliar with. So you only use the words that are in your head so that I can grade your speaking and your writing and help you to improve. And then also, grades. I mentioned this last time too. So let me show you real quick. To access your grades in our class, I recommend using the grades tab up here on our class's homepage. So not the overdue number that's right here for you, because lots of times that is inaccurate for our class. Instead, use the grades tab, and you're going to look and see whatever has a 0 next to it and is highlighted in red. Those zeros are the assignments that are overdue and missing, the ones you want to be working on. So for this week, you'll be looking at Unit 23. Your vocab will be music. Your grammar will be comparatives and superlatives, which is when you compare something to another thing or compare something to everything. So you would say, my brother is shorter than my sister would be a comparative, or my brother is as tall as my sister is also a comparative, or my cousin is the tallest person in the world would be a superlative because you are comparing her to everyone in the world. She is the tallest or the shortest. And then your culture is, we're continuing with the country of Colombia, and you'll be looking at music, which goes along with your vocab, so music in Colombia. Have a great week. Let me know if you have any questions at any time. Estoy aquí para ayudar. I'm here to help. Adiós y que tengan una linda semana. Chao.